What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be talking about the new clipper combo from WAHL. I gotta be honest with you guys, I'm always super happy to receive new tools in the mail, and today we're gonna be talking about what's new from WAHL. The box is pretty cool, and what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box, but also we're gonna be talking about how the machines work and if you should buy. Okay, so I do like the box. I think it's pretty cool. I like what WAHL is doing with the boxes. I think it's a nice touch. Now open the box, and this is what comes inside. Very nice packaging. Ooh, this is nice. We have here the magic clip, the new magic clip with the new detailer, LI, right? This is the black edition, which you guys know I love black clippers. They're my favorite. So I'm super excited about this. And what else received the box? And that's it. That's all we have. Nothing else in the box. This comes in the box as well. That's pretty cool. And this is the box. I'm going to show you guys the box. It's the side, the back, and the other side. Nothing different. Same unboxing as always. They look nice. They look a little bit cheap, to be honest with you, these boxes, especially compared to other companies, but you know, you get what you get with WAHL. So this is how it looks, the same as always have looked. And we're gonna open this box right now. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is different. This is very different. Okay, we have a pouch, like a case, like a traveling case, and we're gonna see what's inside. This is actually pretty cool. It's like a traveling pouch. I like it. Let's open it. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is what comes in a little pouch. So we have plastic guards, from the half all the way to the 1.5. We have the charger, little brush to clean the tools, WAHL clipper comb, little package with a little bit more extra things. So this is how they come packed. Okay, and this is the detailer. Very nice looking clipper. I love it like that black. I gotta be honest, I hated the gold one. Listen, if you are any clipper company still making gold clippers, please stop. It's so played out. Nobody wants it anymore. This is nice. This looks classy. This is something I definitely can recommend. The gold, I can't. Okay, let's see the blade. It has the new blade. I heard this blade is really good. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I can never get these clippers to cut the way I want to, but I see a lot of people on social media use them and they make beautiful lines. So I need to play around a little bit with them and see if I can make it cut like everybody else. This is how it comes. That's a very nice looking clipper. It looks beautiful in black. This is, if you guys know, this is one of my favorite clippers. I made a video about it. I'm mentioning the best clippers in my opinion at the moment. That was last year. I'm gonna make a new one for this year, but this is a very beautiful looking clipper. I wish WAHL would have released this instead of the gold one, because I think that a lot of people didn't buy the gold one because they didn't like gold. So I had a lot of complaints about that, but this one looks amazing. I'm just concerned now that this one came out, people that bought the gold one, are they gonna buy this one? I'm not sure. We're gonna talk a little bit about what's in here, what's inside, and see if it's different or it's just the same clipper, just with a different colors, right? It has the new gold blade, which is actually pretty nice. And the inside blade is still the stagger blade, but this is the 2.0. It's actually a very nice blade. So now we're going to talk about the actual clipper, the specs of the clipper. And the first thing I noticed is that it doesn't say what type of motor, the power, the RPMs, none of that. For whatever reason, we'll never want to disclose that information, but we got Google. We're gonna Google it really quick. So I couldn't find anything on the WAHL website, but I found another website that talks about different motors, and it says that this one has a 6500 RPM motor, which it's pretty much the same as the gold version and very similar or the same as the Legend. So if you have the cordless Legend or the older, or not the older, but the one that just came out, the gold magic clip, then it's pretty much the same clipper. What they did, they changed the color, which I definitely like this one more. Okay, with that out of the way, we're also going to talk about the titanium and DLC coated blades to stay cool and remain sharp 4 times longer. So pretty much these are new type of blades that not all the companies are using as well, and they are really good blades in my opinion. They do stay sharp a lot longer, so this is definitely cool that WAHL is adding these new materials to the product. So the cutting blade is what makes this clipper magical, and that is because the cutting blade is a staggered blade. That means that some of the teeth are longer, some of the teeth are shorter, kind of like a texturized shear. And the purpose of this blade is that it helps you fade a lot better. And it's very true. I feel like every time I use a clipper like this to like kind of retouch my fade, so to do the fade, I think the blends come out very, very nice. I can see kind of that nice texture that it creates. I think this is one of the best, if not the best blade for fading in my opinion. The downside of it is that because the blade has some teeth longer than others shorter, sometimes when it comes to removing a lot of hair at the same time, it's not the greatest for that. So in my opinion, this is even though it's more powerful in the older Magic Clip, this definitely is more for blending and for fading more than actually removing bulk. Okay, it also says that it has a crunch blade technology. The crunch blade technology, what it means is that whatever material they use in the blades, it allows for you to hear when the clipper is cutting the hair. So it kind of has like that crunching sound that we all love, and this is great, especially for beginners, because it allows you to know exactly when it's time to maybe move the lever or change guards because you don't hear the hair cutting anymore. All right, what else is in the box? It says that you can use a corded or cordless. It has up to 100-minute runtime. WAHL's batteries have never been great. They're okay. They've always been okay. If you are a barber, that you are the barber shop, and you always have your clippers kind of charging because you have a charging station, like a charging dock or anything like that, doesn't really matter. If you're a barber that are on the go, definitely WAHL clippers tend to not have the greatest battery. 100 minutes, it's okay. Almost 2 hours, but it's some clippers have a lot more than that, but it is what it is, right? Okay, now with that being said, we are gonna talk about the detailer, the WAHL detailer. This is a nice trimmer. I love this trimmer, honestly. It fits very nicely on my hand. We're gonna see if there's anything on the box about it, but usually we don't know what type of motor it has. Unfortunately, I'll say for some reason, WAHL doesn't want to share the information with us, but that is totally fine. It says that it has the same titanium and DLC coated blade that stays cool and remains sharp for 4 times longer, this is great. It also says that it has an adjustable T-blade that can be zero gap for closer trimming and detailing. It comes pretty close. I definitely, if you're trying to make very sharp lines, and definitely I will move it up a little bit, but you know what? I kind of like it the way it is right now. How I said before, I can never, even when I zero gap these details, I can never get them to hit the same as like with other trimmers for whatever reason. I don't know what it is. And I've seen other barbers on social media using them, and they create amazing lines. So I do have to play with it and get it just right, but this is definitely a nicer blade than the previous one. So I'm excited to use it, and how I said, the color is amazing. So what can I tell you about this combo? I think this is cool. I think it's good. I think people that really like WAHL and they want to stick with WAHL, I think they're definitely going to purchase this. Or if you are in the market for a new WAHL clipper, I think this is pretty nice. My only concern with it is that it doesn't have a charging dock, and I know the gold one does have a charging dock, but obviously doesn't come with the combo. It's not a combo, right? It doesn't come with the trimmer. So, but this is cool. If you already have the charging dock, then this is pretty cool because it allows you to charge it that way. One only thing I'm going to say is that I'm very happy that WAHL made this clipper the way it looks, just because I feel like WAHL has always been very kind of scared of changing their ways and kind of trying to move forward and stick with the times. They always kind of make the same type of clippers, they stick with the same colors and all that stuff. And it's nice to see this trying to step up out of that comfort zone and trying to do something different and just keep up with the times, just because every other company is giving us different colors, a lot of innovation and all that. And I think WAHL has stayed behind a lot when it comes to all that stuff. So I'm glad to see that actually WAHL is trying to do something, even if it's the same clippers, just with a different color, something more modern. I think at least it's something new. And that's it, guys. This was the unboxing, first look, and kind of review of the new Magic Clip Black Edition and the WAHL Detailer Black Edition as well. Nice combo. I really like these clippers. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this new approach from WAHL. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.